This is one of the fastest e-visas I have ever gotten in my life. Guys, I got the Malaysian e-visa in less than 24 hours. As a Nigerian who always has to hassle for a visa, I'm here to show you how you can apply for the Malaysian e-visa right in your room without any stress. Let's get into it. When I was searching for my Malaysian e-visa, at this point I was very desperate because I then discovered that I was going to Southeast Asia without any plans, because at that time my Vietnamese visa had been put on hold by the Vietnamese government. So I did a video about how the Vietnamese government refused my visa. So at this point I was desperate and I just needed any visa. I couldn't do the Philippines because it required a few things that I couldn't provide at the time. The next best was Malaysia. What I googled was Malaysia e-visa. Typically you should be getting this page. This page is the correct verified page, because we all know you need to be careful of scammers out there. It's the correct verified page for the Malaysian e-visa. So what you do is you create an account, and this account you have to upload your passport photograph, upload the biodata page of your passport. Then you have to fill in a few information about yourself, especially on the biodata page of your passport. After you fill this, you then need to fill the hotel you'll be staying in. What I did at the time was just go on booking.com and book a random hotel, which was free cancellation, and I used the details of that hotel in my application. The page also requires you to upload your current address. Then eventually I got to a funny point where they asked me to upload flight details, accommodation, bank statement within 3 months. For my flight details, what I just did was book a dummy ticket. I booked a dummy ticket because I wasn't even sure if they were going to grant me the visa at the time. So I booked a dummy ticket. I uploaded this dummy ticket. I had booked my accommodation on booking.com. I uploaded this, and then I uploaded my bank statement for 3 months. After this was done, they then responded to me in less than 2 hours asking me to upload my BRP, my share code, every other thing I would need, which is in line with the new e-visa system. So I uploaded my share code and my visa page showing where my visa will be expiring, and I think I also uploaded my BRP. I can't really remember, but they definitely asked me for additional documents to be added. After I uploaded this, I actually thought it was going to take another 1 day for them to get to me, because I uploaded this at about 4 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. So at about 4:30 p.m. I received an email that my visa had been approved. I couldn't believe it. So the timeline, I applied for the e-visa at about 10:14 p.m. on the 6th of April, and about 3:39 p.m. I got an email saying they needed additional information, which I submitted almost immediately. They also sent me another email at about 4:01 p.m. saying that they needed another set of information, which was my BRP, definitely. Not too long after, about 20 minutes later, my visa was approved, which makes it about 18 hours since I applied for the visa to be approved. It was very straightforward. On flying into Malaysia, they only scanned the e-visa because I had to print it off. It was scanned and I was let into Malaysia without any issues at all. So the entire e-visa process was done in my living room and approved in less than 24 hours. If you're looking for a country you can go to from the UK, I don't know what the process is from Nigeria, but definitely from the UK, from Ireland, from the US, from Canada, from other Schengen countries or countries in Europe, you can definitely apply for an e-visa to Malaysia. If you've not already followed me at this time, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop a thumbs up if this video was useful to you. Leave a comment and let me know if this video was useful to you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.